Shri Bhaskar Rao sir has spoken in detail about the Coastal Security Police and the challenges it concerns which we face on a day-to-day basis. So I would like to take a few minutes to present before you what is happening in the Coastal Security Police and the day-to-day challenges we are facing. So out of 9 coastal states in India, in Karnataka, I have a jurisdiction of about 320 kilometers with 9 police stations spread across from the Goa border to the Kerala border. So one in Mangalore and one in Karwar is the last one. So we have a jurisdiction of 500 meters on land and 12 nautical miles into the sea. And we share a 3-tier security with the Coast Guard from 12 to 200 nautical miles and Indian Navy onwards. So we work in coordination with the Coast Guard and the Indian Navy and many other stakeholders like the Department of Fisheries, Revenue, Police, Ports and Customs, and all kinds of government departments. So basically, as Bhaskar Rao sir said, my challenge is to equip my people, the policemen, and make them seaworthy so that they can do their day-to-day job with greater efficiency. So we don't have a recruitment policy where I recruit the Coastal Security Police recruits people for themselves. So we get people from the local police, and as like you, most of them are new to the coast, whatever duties we perform at the Coastal Security Police, and half of them are unaware of what is happening in the sea, and most of them don't even know how to swim and all these things. So this is one of the challenges to make them comfortable and make them, equip them with all the qualities of working in the sea. So we have a retired Commodore Dr. Uday Rao, who has recently taken up the job in Coastal Security Police, and he has trained most of my policemen. And he has also made an audit of all my vessels in the Coastal Security Police and other shortcomings. So out of the 320 kilometers of my jurisdiction, we have a lot of gaps. My basic mandate is to secure the coast and patrol the shallow waters up to 12 nautical miles. Though we have a jurisdiction of 12 nautical miles, so we do we work up to 5 nautical miles, and we have an understanding with the Coast Guard because of the lack of capabilities of my vessels to go beyond 5 nautical miles. So we have lot of landing points which are unmanned, and we just don't know what is happening in these landing points. So we have a system where we have divided the whole of coast into beat system, and our beat people and the Karavali Niyantran Dal, which is an organization which is built up in the recent years. The members of Karavali Niyantran Dal and Sagar Rakshak Dal, they help us out with performing the beats and collection of human intelligence and all those things. We also have a lot of community meetings and all, and we keep in touch with the fishermen who keep us informed of anything. So basically, any intelligence is shared between Coast Guard and Indian Navy, and the presence